Hi, I'm Jo. I'm a senior consultant at Polycystic Clinic and I specialise in laser tattoo removal and laser hair removal. Today we're going to be speaking about PCOS. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, and this is a condition that affects a lot of women across the whole world. Some of the symptoms that women deal with are excessive weight gain and acne, but the one that we deal with at Polycystic Clinic is to do with excessive body hair and mainly facial hair. So essentially what's happening in the body when a woman suffers from PCOS is the body is producing more of the male hormone than the average person. So this is what we would call hormonal imbalance. A lot of the clients that we deal with at Polycystic Clinic have PCOS and they do experience the things I mentioned, so specifically more body hair and more facial hair than the average person. So this is where we come in at Polycystic Clinic, as one of our most popular treatments is laser hair removal. This is known worldwide as one of the most popular and most effective permanent reduction solutions to hair removal. So the optimum results we're ever looking for from laser hair removal is up to an 80% permanent reduction. Now, this is perfect for a lot of our clients that suffer from PCOS, as previously they may have tried epilating, waxing, plucking, shaving, and all of these things will worsen the hair and irritate your hair follicles. So this is a perfect way to permanently reduce your hair, as long as you try to keep your sessions regular and you're aware that you will need more sessions than the average client, just because of not only it being specifically facial hair, so you have a lot more hair follicles on your face and the hair growth is a lot quicker, but also there is that hormonal imbalance. So we'll always recommend that you keep coming in every 4 weeks and that you will need your top-up sessions as well. So let's speak about some of the wonderful benefits of laser hair removal. I think one of the most common things my clients mention is to do with skin irritation. So this can vary from skin rash from shaving, redness, and really bad ingrown hairs as well. So that for a lot of clients is very hard to deal with, and it's something that they have to combat constantly. So once you start laser hair removal, your hairs will shed other follicles, and then when your new hair grows back, it's a lot softer. So it's wonderful. You don't have to think about constantly maintaining the hair, and you have the new growth to look forward to in the sense that it's going to be a lot softer. So every session you feel very encouraged because it's getting much smoother on the surface. So the laser is also known to help fade pigmentation, which is a thing that a lot of my clients experience if they've had ingrown hairs. It can get really bad for some clients, especially darker skin clients. You're dealing with much darker spots on the skin, and it can be permanent if you're constantly removing the hair with things like plucking. So once you start laser, that can help fade that, and you won't have any new irritation on the skin, which is brilliant. So all those ingrown hairs will go, there'll be no more shaving rash, and you're not going to have to make these repeat appointments that make your hair worse with things like threading. So as you can probably imagine from everything I've just mentioned, laser hair removal is the best option for a permanent reduction in your hair. It's something that you do have to maintain, so we will, like I said, always recommend that you come in every 4 weeks and then space them apart when your hair slows down. But that maintenance afterwards is really vital, and you'll be so glad you started the laser journey because it really will change your life, especially with facial hair. A lot of our clients do have some concerns first coming to get some laser hair removal, which is understandable. It can be an intimidating thing if you've never had it before, you don't know what to expect, and the machines all look very clinical. But just to reassure you and let you know what to expect, the laser itself can just feel like a small pinching on the skin. It does vary from client to client. You might find it slightly painful, in which case we'll increase the cold air that we use on your skin. So a lot of clients do also have a concern, which is completely valid, that the laser hair removal could potentially make the hair growth worse. So this is something that we take really seriously, and it's always evaluated thoroughly in the consultation initially. So when you come into the clinic, we have a look at the actual hair, and then we would let you know if we deem it suitable for laser hair removal. So for instance, if your hair is very thick and dark, the laser will pick it up a lot more effectively and quickly as well. Whereas if the hair is a lot finer and it's not so dark, and perhaps if the skin type is darker as well, there's slight less contrast between the skin and hair colour. Therefore, we would tell that client you might need more sessions and the initial reduction might be slightly slower. So you're in very safe hands at Polycystic Clinic. Please don't worry, all of your concerns will be answered in the initial consultation, and all the practitioners here are very highly experienced in what they do, and they all will specialise in hair removal, specifically ingrown hairs, and for clients that have PCOS. So you're never going to be in a room with someone that doesn't know what they're talking about. Please feel rest assured that all the equipment we use is very high quality. It's the latest on the market currently. We use Candela lasers and they are incredible. So I just want to say a massive thank you for watching today. Hopefully I've covered some of the questions you had in your mind, but if there is anything else that you want to ask us, you can book a free consultation online via our website. You can also call in to book if you prefer, or you can walk in as well. We've got 3 clinics. We have 2 in Bank, 1 at Peak House and 1 on Fenchurch Street. And then I'm based at our 1 in Tottenham Court Road on Percy Street. So you can come and book with me if you'd like to come and hear a little bit more about what I've spoken today. Also, if your issues are not related to this video, please do contact us. We have a lot of different treatments and they will be suitable for you, I'm sure. So let us know and hopefully we see you soon.